Guys, today problem is next greater element in a circular array. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక array ఇస్తారు. We have to just return the array which like ఇప్పుడు 1కి నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది that will be the place in like 3 is the next greatest element to 1 and 4 is next greater to 3. So 1కి 3, 3కి 4, 2కి 4, 4కి there is nothing. లైక్ 4 తర్వాత ఏం లేదని -1 కాదు, 4 తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనం we will check again. It's a circular array, right? Again we come back to the first of the array. 1 is less than, 3 is less than, 2 is less than. ఈ అరేలో అసలు 4కి పెద్ద 4కి మించింది ఏది లేదు కాబట్టి we return -1. Yeah, that's the problem. ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో అది మనం అంత అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేము, బట్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీ కెన్ సీ దాట్ 3 తర్వాత ఏం లేదు. దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ -1 కాదు, 3ని మించిన ఎలిమెంట్ లేదు ఈ ఏరియాలో. దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ -1. యా, లెట్స్ ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్ అప్రోచ్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, 2 ఫర్ లూప్స్ తీసుకొని వి జస్ట్ రిటర్న్ నెక్స్ట్ గ్రేటర్ ఎలిమెంట్ అలా చేస్తాం కదా. ఫస్ట్ అలా చేద్దాం. j less than n star n కాదు, 2 star n or n plus n, because we have to traversal the entire array, right? ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ 4 దగ్గర ఉన్నాం, 4 దగ్గర అయిపోయాం అనుకోండి, 4 తర్వాత మనం అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ 1 2 3 1 3 2 అగైన్ లైక్ దట్. మనం మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక అరే చెక్ చేయాలి. దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ 1 plus 1 అండ్ j plus plus. Then result of I will be array of j. We will declare all -1, అన్ని -1 పెట్టుకుందాం అరేలో, బికాస్ ఆల్రెడీ అన్ని -1 ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది. లైక్ if we found next greater element to that, we will replace that with the next greater element. And yeah, if ఒకవేళ next greater there is no next greater element, it will be -1, remain as -1. Let's check how many test cases this one passes, right? What's going on? Output is 3 3. What's going on? Until runs j equals to I plus 1 until n plus n 2n. Yeah, okay, we have to do like we have to sort it. Now we have to add another array element. Arrow dot insert of arrow dot end, comma arrow dot begin comma arrow dot end. Okay, now there is another element, now another array beside it. That's why it's why is it initial for? Okay, we need to break here. Break. Oh shit. Yeah, now we got first test case passed, but it will not pass all test cases because it's brute force approach. Yeah, if you see only some few test cases are left with, because it's here it's big O of n, big O of 2n, like big O of n plus n any test cases pass avalante we have to use tags here, and we can remove this one. We will write while loop here, else tag dot empty, and we will get few test cases. If I less than n, st dot push of I, we have to use one current element like of I modulo n. Here it will be n plus n, and if st of array of st dot top, that means if it's less than current element, then it will be result of st dot top is equals to current element. దాని తర్వాత st dot pop చేసేయాలి. The while loop will run again, and like that it will complete. Result. Yeah. Now it will pass every test case because it's just big of n time complexity. Indakadi it will be like big of n plus 2n is big of n square anyways. N dot 2n will be n 2n square, and we can remove 2, it will be n square. Here it is only big of 2n, and it will be 2 if we remove 2, big of 1, and while loop it is not exceeding ఒకసారి కూడా n అని దాటట్లేదు కదా, లైక్ we are not iterating completely n elements in one go. One elements కంటే one go లో n elements కూడా దాటట్లేదు, we didn't check n elements also, so it is nothing when compared to n. That is also numeric, and this passed all test cases. Yeah, this is how we complete this problem. When it comes to example, see, first of all there is 1, right? We store that in push. We store 0 in 1 in stack. Then we come to again, next come to 3. Now stack is not empty, right? Now array of st dot top is, this means 0, array of 0 is less than current element is 3. Current element is 3. Current repeats itself. Current is like second element, current element of, like ఎలా చెప్పను, array of ఇప్పుడు 4 elements ఉన్నాయి కదా, array of 5 will be equal to, yeah man, I don't need to explain this, you go and find it somewhere else. Yeah, at present array of 0 is less than 3, right? Now result of 0 will be current element. We pop the down, and yeah, again we store that 3. Now we store that 1 here. After that, now stack not empty, and if stack dot empty is less than current element, no, now present is 2, it is 1, now it is 2, so it is not less than, right? So we will move on. Now stack will get another element, it is 2, because we store every element, right? If it's n less than n, we store every element. And again current is now 4. Okay, yeah, current is now 4. Stack dot empty, stack is not empty now, it contains 2 elements. Now 2 is less than 4. Yeah, 2 is less than 4. So sorry, array of 2 yeah, array of 2 is 2 is less than 4. Result of 2 will be 4, and the popping will happen. We remove 2 from the stack now contains 3. Now the while loop again runs, stack is not empty, 3 is less than current, 3 is less than 4. Yeah, result of stack dot top, which is 1. Okay, sorry, we don't store 3, we store 1. Stack of 1 will be 3. Stack dot pop, stack is empty now and it's less than n. Now we store 4 here. Now current will come. Current is now, yeah, current is now 5, right? No, current will be now 4, right? Yeah, it is now 3, it is 4, I is now 4, so it is 0. Again 1 will come. Stack is not empty, but array of top, which is 3, array of 3 is not less than current is 1, array of 3 is 4 is not less than 1. Result no, we don't enter the while loop, and this will not execute now because I is now greater than n. This will execute, and this will execute for the entire array one more time, and we are done with that. Yeah, that's it.